The Vav letter as a vowel letter. Part 2. The long U vowel. Case 2. The long U vowel. When you see a consonant with no nikud, dottings, followed by a Vav with a dot inside it, that means it is a long U vowel. For example, 2. You see the tet has no dottings, and the Vav that follows it is a special Vav. It's a Vav that has a dot right in the middle of it, and that equals the long U vowel. In transliteration, 2. More examples: shu, zu, tu, luv, tuv. Note, the Vav acts as a vowel letter, not as a consonant. Therefore, it loses its V sound. The long U vowel is the equivalent of the short U vowel, depicted by the shuruk. That's 3 diagonal dots underneath the letter. Let's look at the short U vowel, tet, and shuruk underneath it, 2. That's כתיב חסר, or in literal translation, it will be short or diminished spelling. Now, the short 2 vowel is the equivalent of the long 2 vowel. That is כתיב מלא, full spelling. Let's turn a short U syllable into a long one, meaning let's turn the כתיב חסר, the short spelling, into כתיב מלא, the longer spelling. We have the 2 syllable. Step 1, drop the shuruk. That's a short U vowel. Step 2, add the long U vav, and we have the 2 syllable. Let's do it again. Yeshurun, yeshurun. Step 1, drop the shuruks. Step 2, add the long U vavs. These are equivalents, therefore they have similar transliterations. 2, the short U vowel, equals 2 with the long U vowel. Yeshurun with the short U vowels equals yeshurun with the long U vowels. You may transliterate yeshurun with 2 O's or with U's. The U vav does not begin a syllable because it is a vowel. It is always attached to the consonant preceding it. For example, buba. Buba, the first letter bet is a consonant, and it is followed by a vav with a dot in the middle of it. That's a vowel vav, not a regular vav. Therefore, the first syllable of the word bu-ba is an open syllable, since it ends with a vowel. Next word, shura. Shura. Shura means a line. Shin is a consonant, and the U-vav that follows it is a vowel letter. Therefore, the first syllable of the word shura is an open syllable. Open syllables end with vowels. Last word, shul-chan. Shulchan means a table. First letter of the syllable is shin. The next one is a long U vowel. And the last one is l, which is a consonant. We have a consonant, a vowel, and a consonant. Now a syllable that ends with a consonant is considered a closed syllable. Notice there is an exception. There is only one case in which the long U vav can begin a syllable. This occurs when it appears in the beginning of a word. This is a phenomena unique to the U vav. It does not happen to the long O vowel vav. For example, ul mad, ur e, uch tov. Remember, in the middle of a word, the U will never begin its own syllable. It will always be attached to a consonant that comes before it. But there are cases where it might begin a word. Note, when a long U vav appears in the beginning of a word, you can be sure it is a prefix that is translated as and. For example, first word, ul mad. That means and learn. The U means and the second part of the word, lemad, means learn. Next example, ur e. The U means and re means see. This ends the presentation about the long U vowel. Have a nice day.